Hello, welcome to a new problem. Now we have an op amp with a resistor in its feedback combination. But the question is, find the voltage at the node A assuming that the op amp is ideal. Now let us find out what is so unique about this problem. Uh, the statement is op amp is ideal. So with that we get a concept of virtual ground wherein the inverting and non-inverting terminal are equal to each other in voltage. Some people call this virtual short. So this op amp has an input in the connected to the inverting terminal. So this op amp is an inverting op amp. The output of the inverting op amp configuration is given as minus RF by R1. So here it is minus 31K by 1K times 1 volt, which is minus 31 volt. Now if you observe, minus 31 volt is beyond the supply ranges. So that means the op amp is saturated, right? And the output saturation value is the negative maximum, which is minus 15 volt. Now since the output is minus 15 volt, that shows that the ideal virtual ground concept does not apply here. That means there is V plus is not equal to V minus. So now we have found out that in this case V plus equal to not equal to V minus. So that is the uniqueness of this problem. So there is going to be a difference in the voltage. Now let us find out what is the voltage VA. For that, let us apply KCL at node A, right? So KCL at node A gives V naught minus VA by 31K plus, or we could say equal to VA minus V1 divided by 1K. So it's a very simple equation. So we know the value of V naught. V naught is minus 15. VA is 1. No, V1 is 1 volt. So let us find out, solve for VA. So VA is 1 by 1K plus 1 over 31K. Now that is equal to V naught by 31K plus V1 by 1K, which is equal to V naught is minus 15 by 31K plus V1 is 1 by 1K. So since we have K in all the denominators, let us simplify that equation, and you also see that the denominator is the same. So VA is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 over 31 by 32 by 31. This is equal to 31 minus 15 is 16 by 31. This effectively gives VA is equal to 16 by 32 is 0.5 volt. So the output VA is equal to 0.5 volt. So what does this mean? This means that there is an input voltage offset which is V plus minus of V minus is equal to VA minus 0 equal to 0.5 volt. Minus VA plus 0 is minus 0.4. So this gives an input offset voltage as minus 0.5 volt. This is the concept that you will use in multiple cases. For example, one of the main applications where you would see these kind of things is in practical op amps, which has got a input voltage offset design. Second, you would find them in finite gain op amps, finite gain op amp, or the noisy input of op amps. So all these reasons could be why you would find an input offset voltage in an op amp which is even ideal too. Okay, quite easily done.